riding the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. Desert USA staff decided to take a trip. This is the boarding area, and soon we were on our way up in the new cars, which the floors slowly rotate, giving you a 360-degree view. We said goodbye to the station and climbed up to 8,500 feet. There are many trails that you can take which lead around the forest at the top of the tramway. We went up to the Viewpoint that overlooks the area, giving you a 360-degree view. We could even see way out to the Salton Sea through the haze. It was a fun day, and after getting a pizza and something else to eat, we headed back down to the main station. This is the counterweight to the tram that keeps it balanced as it goes up and down. And away we go, down to the main station. Once we reached the base station, we boarded a shuttle bus to take us back to our parking lot. Concluding another fun day in the desert.